Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Speedy Gimp 313. It's been quite a while since my last video, guys, and it's just because I really haven't been doing anything to the car. And if you follow me on social media, you'll know that something actually happened to Deadpool the Camaro. But for those of you that don't, I'm going to show you what happened, and it's going to kind of change our game plan with Deadpool the Camaro going forward. So give me just a second and I'll get the camera turned around. Okay guys, so here's what happened to Deadpool the Camaro, and let me give a little bit of background. What happened was I had an individual try to come into the turn lane right at the end of the turn lane on a solid white line and actually drove down the side of Deadpool the Camaro. As you'll see there, it knocked the mirror off. The mirror flopping around scratched the paint. This right in here is going to be close to our initial point of impact. He actually might have made contact a little bit sooner back in this area, but there's no extensive damage. I didn't even realize he was going to hit me until his rear door, because it was a crew cab truck, was actually making contact with my vehicle. Alright guys, it's really bright out here, so I don't know how well it's going to translate, but you might be able to see right there that the fender is actually creased. The tire marks continue down the side of the car and actually go all the way to the front of the car here, and I'm very fortunate that it didn't do more damage than it did. Actually, when the incident occurred, I actually expected the damage to be a lot more extensive. Give you guys a shot of the damage from this angle. There you can better see the creases in the fender. There's some damage to the corner of the front, the bottom of the front bumper that I can't get down on the ground and show you guys. But that's pretty much the extent of the damage.
Gentlemen, we can rebuild him. We have the technology.
Okay guys, real quick before we close off this video, I want to state that I wanted to try to bring you guys the content of the car actually being repaired. However, with me driving with hand controls and dropping the car off at the body shop, I won't have a way to get back and forth to the body shop to actually film the content and bring that to you guys. Plus, the body shop has a very strict policy of not letting anybody back in the work area unless they're accompanied by their estimator or someone like that. So unfortunately I won't be able to bring you guys that content, but I will definitely shoot some photos and video to show you guys the repair results. Today is the 11th of April. I actually spoke to my adjuster this past Thursday and was told that the tow truck would be here the next day, and they never showed up. So today is Sunday the 11th, but I won't be able to call them again and try to get an update to find out when the tow truck will be here until tomorrow. Now, what I was speaking about that I mentioned just previously in the video about how this is going to change the game plan with Deadpool going forward, what it's going to do, and I've already talked this over with my wife, who in one of my last videos I referred to as my girlfriend, but she's now my wife because we got married. What it's kind of made us do, or change the plan a little bit, I guess, is we're actually going to make Deadpool just a track day car. Initially, my plan for Deadpool was to keep it street legal, but make it a car that could go to the track, but be driven home if needed. But now that this has occurred, we've decided, or I've decided rather, I guess it was a joint decision, I don't know. You'll have to ask her. Let her know in the comments what you think. Anyway, I've decided, however you want to say it, that Deadpool now is going to be strictly a track day car. We're actually going to buy a truck to tow Deadpool the Camaro to and from the track. So you'll see that content coming to the channel in the future. But that's also going to mean that we don't have to be concerned about, you know, emissions or different things like that to keep Deadpool Street legal, since Deadpool will not be driven on the street. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Should I keep Deadpool Street legal? Should I go full-blown track car? Let me know in the comments below. I've actually already posted the photos to social media from the incident. So if you want to see those, be sure to jump over to my social media and check that out. As always, links to all of my social media will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the quick update video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.